Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Expo app builds with EAS Build, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your terminal and navigate to your Expo project directory. Ensure you have EAS CLI installed by running npm install geas CLI. Log into your Expo account using EAS login. Once logged in, check your project configuration with the command EAS Build configure. This command sets up the necessary files for EAS Build. Now, you can start a new build by typing EAS Build platform. Replace platform with either Android or iOS depending on your target. Wait for the build process to complete, which may take a few minutes. After the build finishes, you will receive a build URL. Copy this URL and open it in your web browser. On the build page, you can review the build status and logs. Once the build is successful, download the appropriate build file. For Android, this will typically be an APK or AAB file. For iOS, you will download an IPA file. Next, verify the authenticity of your builds by checking the signing credentials. For Android, use AppSigner Verify Path to APK for APK files. For iOS, use the device or test flight to install and verify the app. Check that all app functionalities work as expected. You can also run automated tests to ensure everything is functioning properly. If any issues arise, refer back to the build logs for troubleshooting. Once verified, your app is ready for deployment to app stores. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.